Hello friends! For this activity we are going to create nature bunny art. Here's an example of how it's going to look like. We are going to take different leaves from outside and create a bunny. So if you see here, we'll need 2 long leaves to act as the ears, and we'll need some little tiny leaves or grass to act as whiskers, or just the fur that creates the head of the bunny. So let's get started with the materials, okay? We will need a blank piece of paper. We will need a black marker or a Sharpie, some liquid glue, some tape, and lastly we will need all of the leaves or the grass that we choose for this bunny creation. If you can see here, I have some pretty pink petals, some grass, and some leaves.
Okay, now that we have our blank piece of paper in front of us, we are going to grab the Sharpie or a black marker and draw 2 eyes on the paper for the bunny. And we're going to fill in the eyes so we can clearly see them. Okay, now that we've finished our 2 bunny eyes, we are going to draw the nose and the mouth. So if you see here, I drew a heart-shaped nose, and now I'm carefully drawing the mouth of the bunny. Now we are going to draw the 2 front teeth of the bunny. And we're also going to color in the heart-shaped nose so we can clearly see it. Now for this step, we're going to need all of the grass and the leaves and the flower petals that we picked up from outside. We're going to take our liquid glue or pieces of tape if you don't have glue, and we're going to place it onto our bunny template. So I'm just making enough room so I can gently press it, and this particular leaf is going to act like one of the ears on the bunny, so I'm just placing it above one of the eyes. That looks perfect. Now I'm just gently pressing it down, and I'm going to grab the second long leaf and again apply a good amount of glue onto the back, just like that. And I'm going to turn it over and put it above the second eye of the bunny. Now these 2 leaves are going to act like the bunny ears, which are very long. Good job. I'm just gently pressing down. Next, I'm going to grab the liquid glue and make 3 lines to represent the whiskers. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to grab a single leaf, a single grass, and press it on top of the glue. So there's 1, and there's the second grass, and the third one is right here. Now I'm going to press it onto the last whisker. Now these are going to be the whiskers of the bunny, and I'm just going to do that again to the left side of the bunny's face. So again, apply a good amount of liquid glue onto the paper. Perfect, just 3 marks. And we are going to grab grass and press it on top of the glue. So again, there's 1 whisker. Here's the second whisker, and here is the third one. Perfect. Now if you can see, we have 3 whiskers on each side of the bunny's face. Good job. Now, I am applying 3 small liquid glue dots right above the bunny's ears. And I'm going to take my pink flower petals and gently press them on top of the liquid glue. Now I'm going to apply the same amount of liquid glue and the same number of flower petals on the other side of the bunny's face. So right next to the bunny's ears. Now, these leaves that you see here are going to represent the bunny's fur. Now, I'm just breaking them apart so it's easier to glue them on. Now what you see me doing here is I've already applied my liquid glue and I formed the shape of the bunny's head, and now I'm taking the leaves that we just broke apart and I'm gently pressing them onto the liquid glue. Alright friends, it looks like we are just about done with this nature bunny activity. Hopefully this was fun and also very educational. It helps build creativity, it helps increase your color recognition, it helps encourage your appreciation for nature, and it helps develop sensory awareness. So again, I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.